Brace yourselves, Monster Machines is here, the wildest rigs, epic rescues, don't blink. You won't want to miss a second. Holy smokes! This truck, even missing 2 rear wheels, glides through the construction site like a figure skater. Holy moly! 2 massive excavators wrestling a truck, flipping it over. But oh dear, looks like the truck's decided it's time for a spa day. In the heart of destruction, a crane collaborates with a bobcat. But the building strikes back. Quickly, the bobcat is lifted just in time. Top-tier skills on display. That terrain throws some serious challenges, but this team crushed it. Major props to them. Can you believe this? A truck, missing a whole tire, is still going strong. This driver's definitely pushing the limits. What do you think? The recent offshore pipeline vessel incident underscores the critical importance of comprehensive risk assessment and robust safety protocols in maritime operations. I have been driving for decades and have experienced this. Most of the time, it's due to loose bolts. Always check them before driving long distances. He lost this seesaw game. What a pathetic lack of professionalism. Check this out. A train is crossing a river in front of crocodiles. They're enjoying the tide, grabbing snacks as the train rolls by. The demolition of the dam involves the controlled dismantling of the dam structure, leading to the release of accumulated water. This action is part of a larger park redevelopment project. Hold on. Using a bulldozer for demolition? That's old school. Imagine a hydraulic hammer smashing through that concrete. Now that's efficiency. Think your electric pallet jack is invincible? Think again. Your wallet might disagree. Violently. Now that's what I call teamwork. Way to go, guys. That was some skillful maneuvering with that big tractor. Boom. A ship collided with the port crane, causing it to collapse onto the containers below. The impact was extremely strong, but fortunately, there were no casualties. The truck, its front end tilted skyward, had just unloaded a torrent of mud. A diligent excavator stepped in, its powerful arm raking the thick muck away. He dances that forklift like a maestro, a steel symphony in motion. It's hard to believe that a windmill can fold up as if it's made of paper. Haha, that's awesome. The way to make the tracked excavator go fast without using any fuel. A structural failure resulted in the collapse of the heavy-duty crane onto the deck of the barge. The significant damage to the crane is evident. The Compilation 200 excavator carefully maneuvers off the lowboy trailer, demonstrating precision and control in preparation for its demanding tasks.
นี่ครับเทคนิคการเอาแมคโครลงโอ้ลงไง
The Fendt Power demonstrates exceptional performance. Its 242.62 horsepower engine enables efficient and swift movement of the high silo.
Jetzt liegt er um.
This excavator appears to be experiencing a loss of control while descending an incline. The operator may be exhibiting reckless behavior. Using specialized equipment and techniques, the team skillfully recovered the truck from the river. Years of experience were clearly evident in their coordinated efforts. Yeah, the backflip caused the excavator to break down. Hope it can be repaired. A bad day for the operator. In a heart-stopping turn of events, a truck lost its brakes, careening down the steep incline before ultimately succumbing to gravity and overturning. In a desperate bid for speed, the truck surged forward, only to skid and tumble into the ditch. The sight left me utterly speechless. Have you ever seen a 27-ton excavator climb a steep slope? The Cat 326D. This beast effortlessly scales steep inclines, leaving lesser machines in the dust. Teamwork makes the dream work. Check out this awesome crew of excavators, joining forces to muscle a massive rock onto a truck. Experience the unconventional. An R+15 tower meets its end not through wrecking balls, but by a calculated implosion. Snowbound. The K701's wheels, though working overtime, couldn't negotiate the icy grip of the road. Hold on! Ropes and a struggling excavator bucket? There has to be a smarter way to lift this beast, right? The K700 appears, a titan of practicality, a beacon in the darkest hour of Kiravet. This is strength and practicality. Taking off the hat is rarely this good. Finally, the large truck could not withstand the weight of the wind turbine blade and had to struggle up the hill. The excavator, a titan of steel, unleashed its massive jaws upon the rocks, sending shock waves through the earth. This Cat 988B is 36 years old and still going strong at the marble quarry. Just listen to that engine roar. It's like a powerful heartbeat. What a legend. This thing's a beast. Pumped up tires conquering those steps and hauling a whole trailer? No sweat. As a former tow truck driver, that wasn't the best way to rescue the truck. But anyway, the result is what matters. Who would have thought? That hulking Volvo EC 290B excavator, a beast of a machine, danced its way out of that pit with the grace of a ballerina. Oh, the dangerous road. Imagine the challenge of the driver who is stressing out. But even more so, the three guys sitting on top with a feeling of nervous excitement. Defying the odds, an excavator stands tall amidst the watery chaos of a breached dam, a testament to human ingenuity and unwavering resolve. The Mack truck is struggling to climb the hill. The tires seem like they're about to fly off the axle. The road is really terrifying. If your machine gets stuck, let me show you how to get out quickly. Feel free to share your methods as well. The relaxing moment after the intense working hours of the excavator. Even the machinery, which is typically rigid, engages in a game of intellect. A devastating rock slide in China. Transportation routes crippled as boulders thunder down from the heights, leaving chaos in their wake. Dump truck goes plop. Out pops a dozer, ready to rock and roll. Amazing. The excavator can reach its destination quickly without needing a trailer. A truly brilliant invention. Wow, that was truly an unforgettable journey. Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with upcoming content.